We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
We have come to Woo! So we left mini golf, went back to ours, changed. The chicken lives, and we've come to Blizzard Beach. So we're going to check out the new Frozen editions, see what's going on there, go around the lazy river, because that's usually where we hang out, and go on some of the rides. It's about 1:30. It closes at 5, but I mean it looks absolutely dead. I don't really see that pool's empty. There was no one there on Summit Plummet. It was dead when we came in, so let's do this! And so this is why the lazy river isn't relaxing when you're in Alistair. Pushes you into the water and fall. Actually, he has not done that in fairness. And usually I'm magnetised towards him myself. I am floating! We are water parked out. We did Teamboat Springs a couple of times, that was good, and we went on the little chairlift that went up. Is that how we finished it off? Yes. Oh, we had a donut. It's a very nice donut. My tongue isn't blue. I thought it was gonna die. It was like bright blue. It was very on point theming wise, but it was a Jaffe donut, which we like. It was very fresh. He'll insert a picture of the price and whatnot.
At some point.
We're now heading back to the resort. We have now come out and we're just about to get the Skyliner and go to Studios.
Yes.
So Magic Kingdom has After Dark and EPCOT has extended hours for resort guests, deluxe resort guests. So we're going to go back to Studios and try a look with the queue lines and see if we can get on Sneaky Dark.
I've got Magic Band Plus. We're going to either try and do the bounty hunter thing, or to at least start the statue treasure hunty thing, scavenger hunt.
We haven't really got the whole Play Disney app thing.
I finally downloaded it, logged in, and it recognised the band, so we'll see if it works when we're in the park. and then we'll go for dinner, probably back at the resort.
Yes.
There's nothing really in studios that we want to eat.
Yeah, we're not fans of the dining in studios.
Hollywood Studios turned out to be a bit of a failure.
Epic fail.
What did we actually manage to do?
So we went, first of all we did Muppets, which was the plan, so that was fine. And then we went to ride Slinky Dog, but the queue was massive, so we did Alien Spinny Saucer Swirling thingy. Then we went back to Slinky Dog, tried, the queue was not moving, so gave up and decided we would ride Star Tours. But then passing that, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway said 75 minutes, but there was no queue, it was indoors, so we was like, screw this.
We'll try that.
In just a few moments, we will be...
So we got to Mickey and Minnie's, we sailed through, saw the pre-show.
And then it broke down as soon as we got through the pre-show. So well, it turned out it was advertised 75 minutes, we queued for 15 minutes. But then,
Ooh.
so we have an individual lightning lane that we can use on any park tomorrow. With
Yeah.
some exceptions for the rides, so we're going to just leave it because there's no point with half an hour left.
Yeah, we could have used it like tonight in Hollywood, but we didn't.
Did you know that these...
So we're now on our way back to Caribbean Beach Resort, and we're going to go find dinner somewhere.
Yes.
And we'll stop now before she interrupts us again with more stupid commentary.
Yes. So we've come to Old Port Royal at Caribbean Beach again, so our like main restaurant area, like quick service, to get dinner. We've gone with kids meals, so you get, Alice has got a cheeseburger, I've got chicken nuggets, and then you get like we substituted one of the options for French fries, but there was the option of a mandarin, a fruit smoothie, and applesauce.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you get a little bottle of water or a little carton of apple juice. So we have those, and then I don't know whether you can see, somewhere in the background is the EPCOT ball, Spaceship Earth. So Harmonious is due to start in about 10-15 minutes, so we're hoping that we can maybe see that from here too. Obviously you're not going to get the best view, but we hope to see some fireworks. That's the plan. fireworks, which we have been watching whilst we've been eating. So you've got the lighthouse there at Caribbean Beach with the skyline, and then this is Old Port Royal here. And we've been sitting and watching the fireworks here, as you can see Alistair's there. And we have street lamps too, so we've been able to keep warm and enjoy the fireworks with dinner, yes?
If you enjoyed watching, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe.